thetailanguage.com. I'm Dan Harville. How to say to be located at in Thai. You has a low tone. You, my normal voice is here, and I say you.
ผมอยู่เมืองไทย
ฉันอยู่
ผมอยู่เมืองไทยมา2 เดือนแล้ว
Looking at the words, I've taken the personal pronouns and the polite particles off the ends. So we're just looking at what the sentence, the meat of the sentence is saying. You muang thai ma song duen lao. You means to be, to live at, to stay at, to be located at. It's an interesting word. It means a lot of things. It's got a second meaning. You can throw it in someplace to say that the verb is currently happening now. We'll get to a lesson on that, but you pretty much means to be at. To be at, I am in is the same thing as to be at, right? Thetailanguage.com, where you can get a 14-phrase free PDF. All right? Cool. Onward.